Hey everyone, it's me Veronica, and in today's video I'm gonna show you that Easter decor doesn't have to be typical Easter egg, so I made a cute Easter bunny ornament. So welcome to my channel all about decoupage, and all materials I use will be listed in description box below. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be more than happy to answer those. So let's get started with a plastic medallion, and I painted this medallion twice with white paint. Let it dry between each layer. I have this custom rice paper printed, and I decided to use this cute elegant bunny, and I'm cutting out my image with water pen. Of course, you can just use a small amount of water and small brush for this. After cutting out my image, I am tearing it up in few places so it will fit better onto my medallion. After tearing up the rice paper, I am applying a little bit of decoupage glue onto the ornament itself. Then I am placing my bunny image onto the ornament and then gluing it with more decoupage glue. Of course, you can use Mod Podge as well for this. Just make sure there is no excess, because the excess will dry out white, not clear on your project. After gluing it all onto my ornament, I am letting it dry, and after it is dry, I am applying pouring glaze onto the image itself, and I apply 3 to 4 layers of the glaze. Let it dry between each layer. And now it is time to decorate the rest of my ornaments. So I am rolling out a little bit of air drying clay onto a stamperia mold, making sure it will fit my ornament from the other side. Then I am applying express glue from Pen Art onto the ornament itself, and I am applying it all over the ornament. Then carefully I am lifting my air drying clay image and I am gluing it onto my ornament itself. I don't mind the excess of the clay around my ornament, because the rest of the ornament I will be putting something else. Just keep watching and you will see. By gluing this all, I decided I will go for a total another image I had in mind. So tell me, are you the same? I mean, you have a project in your mind and then by doing it you just turn up doing something completely different with it. Firstly, I wanted to apply roses all around the ornament, and then I decided to go with this. With a little bit of clay and my mold, I am applying cute little border onto my Easter egg as well. For best way to remove your clay from the mold, just turn around your mold and take it out from the other side. This way it is easy to get out any bigger kind of molds. And if you have still problem, just use a little bit of cornstarch and it will go out really easy. So after getting my mold border done, I am gluing it with express glue from Pen Art as well all around my bunny image. Then I glued some roses here and there on my ornament. So I thought the other side of my ornaments needs something more, so I am rolling out a little bit of air drying clay, and then I am pressing a stamp into it with a nice saying onto it, making sure everything is nice and visible, and I am cutting out any excess of the clay to make it look a cute little tag. Then I am gluing it carefully with express glue from Pentard. Yeah, I love this glue because I think it's one of the best glues out there for gluing clay onto my projects. After everything is glued, I let my clay dry. After it is dry, it was time to paint it. So I painted it first with black paint all around the clay part, and I wiped off any excess of the paint with wet towel to give it a nice shabby chic look. As I was saying earlier, all materials will be listed in description box below, but what I didn't mention, the Southern Girl can has a cute metal sign for a wreath with this cute bunny on. So if you wanna buy that, I will put a link in description box below. Hopefully she has it still available. If not, she has many other cute signs available in her shop, so go out and check that out too. If you want to buy this particular bunny ornament, it will be listed in my Etsy shop. After the black paint was dry, I am applying a little bit of different kind of acrylic paints onto my ornament with cut up sponge. After everything was on, I let it dry, and after it is dry, it was time to seal my clay part. So I am using matte varnish for this. Of course, you can use glossy one as well, and I do apologize if you hear a dog barking in the background. That's my own Labrador, and usually he starts barking when I am doing my crafts, so I'm sorry for that. The last step in my Easter bunny medallion is applying a little bit of wax paste onto my ornament. Of course, this step is fully optional and you don't have to do it and you will be all done, or maybe you can put a little ribbon on top of your ornament if you want to. And here it is, my elegant bunny Easter ornament. I hope you liked this video and you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments if you can read the cute saying I have on my bunny ornament. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel. Please do give me a thumbs up or a nice comment. Please do check my other social medias as well. Stay tuned for more. Bye.